Negative exponents. Here you see that I have some formulas written. A to the negative n equals 1 over a to the positive n. And on the right I have 1 over a to the negative n equals a to the n as long as a is not equal to 0. I want to give some examples using real numbers or some other variables. What this means is that whenever you have a negative exponent, in order to make the exponent positive, you write the reciprocal. And here I have a to the negative n, so I'm going to use a number. If I had 2 to the negative 3, in order to make this exponent positive, I want to flip it or write the reciprocal. So think of this as 2 to the negative 3 over 1. And to write the reciprocal of this, I write 1 over 2, and then my exponent becomes positive 3. And you could actually work this on out by raising 2 to the third power, which means 2 times 2 times 2, which gives us 8. So 2 to the negative third power would be 1/8. And also whenever you start with a fraction, maybe if you had something like 1 over 3 to the negative 2 power, to write this with a positive exponent, write the reciprocal, make it 3 to the positive 2 over 1. And of course 3 to the second power is 9. And 9 over 1 is just the whole number 9. I would like to show you something where we have some sort of unusual looking fractions where we have some things maybe where we have negatives in the top and the bottom of a fraction. So if I had something like a to the second power, and then I had b to the negative 4, and this was over c to the negative 5 power, and then maybe we have d to the 7th. This shows us that we have two variables with positive exponents and two with negative. So what we want to do is we want to make those negative exponents positive. Here we have b to the negative 4. So if this is in the top of the fraction, by bringing this down to the bottom, that's the same as writing the reciprocal or flipping it. And this one with the negative exponent, if we take this to the top, that's the same as writing the reciprocal. And all it's going to do is change the signs. Our A and our D are fine where they are, so we want to leave them as they are. And I'm going to take this C to the negative 5, and I'm going to bring that up, and that will become C to the positive 5. And then the B that had a negative 4, if I bring it to the bottom, that exponent becomes positive 4. And then we have d to the 7th already there. So here I've changed both of my negative exponents into positives by just changing their position in the fraction.